Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, the old tractor had to stay outside last night. I'm reorganizing the garage. So this is my 1990 John Deere 870. And it is a chilly morning out. It's about -8 degrees Celsius or a wind chill of -15. So let's see how it starts with this cold weather out. And normally this stays in the garage, so it's usually not exposed to this type of wind chill right now. There we go, just doing a little cold start of the old John Deere 870. Again, it has the 28 horsepower Yanmar diesel. Thanks for watching.